When you create a brand new YouTube channel, the first thing YouTube does is analyze your account to figure out whether you're a real creator or just another spam bot. It starts testing your videos by showing them to a small seed audience, usually around 30,000 people. But if YouTube doesn't trust your account yet, your shorts might barely get pushed at all. This is what many creators call zero view jail. To avoid this, it's always better to use an older Gmail account with some history behind it. But more importantly, enable advanced feature eligibility on your channel. This instantly helps prove that you're a real person, and it contributes to something creators often call your trust score. Your trust score is basically YouTube deciding whether your content is worth showing to viewers. Because at the end of the day, YouTube wants videos that keep people watching and make the platform money. If your trust score is low, YouTube would rather push someone else's content instead of risking viewers on your channel. Now, once you start uploading consistently, YouTube usually begins testing your videos with audiences of around 30,000 viewers. This is what people refer to as the 30K view phase. And honestly, this phase exists for a reason. YouTube is trying to understand both the creator and the audience. Every short you upload gets tested with different groups of people while the algorithm searches for the perfect audience match. That's why most new channels follow a very similar pattern. The video starts slow, suddenly spikes, and then flatlines. If YouTube notices strong performance signals, it pushes the video out to even more viewers to test its viral potential. When a short dies early in the low thousands, it usually means certain performance metrics weren't strong enough. But if your videos are landing in the 10,000 to 20,000 range, that's actually a good sign. A lot of creators complain about the 30,000 phase, but it really means your content has potential. YouTube just needs more viewer data before scaling your videos harder. Once the algorithm figures out exactly who enjoys your content, one strong video can suddenly explode and reach a massive audience. This is why broad entertainment niches like animations often blow up quickly on fresh channels. Almost anyone can watch and enjoy them without needing a specific interest in the topic. Now, when it comes to performance, retention is one of the biggest things YouTube cares about, probably more than anything else. You want your audience retention graph to stay as flat and high as possible, while keeping the initial drop at the beginning very small. A video with amazing retention can still perform well even if other stats aren't perfect, but you should still aim to improve your average view duration and viewer engagement. Engagement also matters a lot, but don't overdo call to actions. If you constantly beg for likes, comments, or subscriptions in a spammy way, as you keep uploading, your audience gradually grows, because every video is being tested with new groups of viewers, and one of the strongest signals for YouTube is when new viewers turn into returning viewers and loyal subscribers. That tells the platform your content is valuable enough for people to come back and watch again. So if you want to grow fast, consistency is extremely important. You should be uploading every single day if possible. And once you get your first viral video, things start changing quickly. YouTube becomes much more confident in pushing your future uploads because you've already proven your channel can perform well. You may still experience temporary drops in views sometimes. Eventually, once your trust score becomes strong enough, YouTube stops limiting your reach so heavily. At that point, every upload gets pushed to much wider audiences automatically, and it becomes a numbers game until you eventually hit monetization and major view milestones. But this is also the stage where many creators mess up. If you suddenly become inconsistent or start uploading weaker content, your momentum can drop fast. Sometimes creators even end up stuck only getting views from subscribers. And finally, one of the biggest things that matters is your niche. If 10 creators are all posting the exact same type of content, it becomes much harder to stand out. In oversaturated niches, YouTube naturally prioritizes channels it already trusts more, making it difficult for newer creators to compete. That's why choosing the right niche can completely change your growth speed.